Hello, hi, namaskar. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the sedans in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel, as it helps this video reach a lot more people if you click on that like button. And if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, links will be in the description. And now let's get started. So SwiftDzire silver color DDIS 2016 model, has number of owners 1, has done 35,000 kilometers and asking price is 7.25. Maruti Suzuki SwiftDzire silver color with alloy wheels, fog lights. So this is petrol 2011-12 model. VXI, number of owners 1, has done 46,000 kilometers, asking price 4.35 lakhs. And let's just take a look at the car, back profile of the car. SwiftDzire VXI. Comes with parking sensors at the back. SwiftDzire maroon color. This one comes with steel rims, fog lights too, and this is a 2015 model diesel. And let's take a look at the information. Number of owners 1, has done 29,000 kilometers, asking price is 6.50 lakhs. Skoda Rapid silver color 2012 model diesel, has number of owners is 1, has done 32,000 kilometers and asking price is 5.75 lakhs. So you can see alloy wheels, but blacked out alloy wheels. TDI Honda City, grayish pinkish color, has aftermarket alloys and tires, as you can see here. And let's take a look at the information. This is petrol 2016 model, automatic CVT, have a number of owners is 1, has done 38,000 kilometers and asking price is 9.50 lakhs. So looks very good with this extra big tires, but fuel efficiency will definitely decrease, and not sure about how durable they are. So I can't open it, it's locked, but it's an automatic transmission CVT. IV Tech, famous Honda's engines, very good for driving. Hyundai Verna maroon color, alloy wheels and fog lights, and with projector headlamps too. So let's take a look at the information. It's a petrol 2016 model, 1.6 SX, number of owners 1, has done 19,000 kilometers, asking price is 8.75 lakhs. So this comes with keyless entry. You can see there's that button there on the handle. And let me give you a walk around of the car. So if you want to see my video on SUVs or hatchbacks, then links will be in the description, and if they are not, then you can check out my channel and actually see those videos too if you are interested in those cars too. So that's the Verna. Skoda Laura, this is a 2009 model, it's silver color, and let me show you the information for this car. So it's 2009 model, number of owners 2, has done 74,000 kilometers, asking price is 7.75 lakhs. And let me show you the exteriors of the car. And interiors, I'm not sure if it's open or not, it's locked, so I'll just give you, this is an automatic transmission, DSG. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.